Track your success with YouTube Analytics. Want to find out how well your YouTube channel is doing? YouTube Analytics gives you a lot of information and ideas to help you keep track of your progress and make your plan better. What does YouTube Analytics do? YouTube Analytics is a tool that gives you information about how well your channel is doing, such as views, the number of times people have watched your videos; watch time, the amount of time people are spending watching your videos; subscribers, the number of people who have signed up to get your channel; demographics are details about your viewers, like their age, gender, and where they live; traffic sources, where people who watch your videos come from, like YouTube search, social media, or other websites; audience retention is how long people watch your videos; engagement is the number of likes, comments, and shares your videos get. How to use YouTube's Analytics. To get to YouTube Analytics, open YouTube Studio and click on Analytics in the menu on the left. Look at the different reports. You can use YouTube Analytics to see how well your channel is doing by looking at a number of reports. Make a list of goals. What do you want to do with your channel? Keep an eye on your progress. Check your analytics data to see if you're getting closer to your goals. Find trends. Find patterns in your data that can help you figure out what is and isn't working. Experiment. Do things differently and see how they change your analytics data. Change things. Change your plan based on the data you get from your analytics. Important numbers to keep an eye on. Views. This is a simple number that shows you how many people are watching your videos. Watch time. This is a more important number than views because it shows how long people are watching your videos. Audience retention. This tells you how long people are watching your videos. Engagement is a measure of how many people are liking, commenting on, and sharing your videos. Traffic sources. This shows you where your viewers are coming from. How to use YouTube Analytics to make sure your goals are reasonable. Don't expect to become a YouTube star right away. The most important metrics for YouTube's algorithm are watch time and audience retention. Try out different titles, thumbnails, and descriptions. Try different things to see what works best to get people to watch. Look at what your competitors are doing. Look at what they're doing and see if you can learn from their mistakes and successes. Be patient. It takes time to make a YouTube channel that works. Why it's important to keep getting better. The best YouTubers are always looking at their data and making changes to make their channels work better. The bottom line: YouTube Analytics is a great way to keep track of how well your videos are doing and make your YouTube strategy better. With this information, you can make better videos, get more people to watch them, and grow your channel.